For Anapese, as you all know, I find myself in Italy, Verona to be precise, in my mom's kitchen, and we are about to fry some turkey wings. And as you can see, I've already steamed it very nice with some of my delicious seasoning from Kashmir supermarkets. At this point, our oil is trying to heat up, and I'm taking the turkey from the sauce or from the water so it can dry a bit, and from there so stay tuned and don't skip through my video. If you want to know how I steam my turkey wings right from the scratch, don't forget to tune in into Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. And I wish you all a happy Monday, because Charlie is going to happen live here with our veg rice. I told you it's going to happen with our veg rice. This is our vegetables. It's basically going to be simple but nice with our onions, bell peppers, carrots, and we are waiting for our mushrooms. Remember, Italian vegetables are nice, organic. But if you find yourself in UK, Leeds to be precise, kindly go to Kashmir supermarket, shop quality, shop affordable. No more dates. Orokodo, sepes ban papa, yeah, Hilda's Kitchen, good food always made in a clean environment. So guys, as you can see, the oil is hot and we are going to dip in our turkey wings. Wow, our Christmas has started so early. Wow, papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Yeah, Agnes Kitchen. Yes, because the kitchen is not mine. Yeah. Wow, beautifully. Ebusia. Program na academic should be if you want Italy, Verona, Bussolengo, Lugagnano, Verafranca, Golosini, San Massimo. In Verona, to be precise. Don't wait. Hilda's Kitchen, I'm here for you. Come on. Our turkey is still on frying nicely. As you know, my mom's Ijano is not very strong as mine. As you know, we are getting the orokodo. Papa, oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Yes, only Agnes Kitchen. I keep saying Hilda's Kitchen because this kitchen is not mine. It's not mine, you. I don't want to own it by force. Dabi. Orokodo. It's orokodo. You're taking, so it's cooking very, very nicely. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. We are going to weigh it very nicely with our veg rice and some coleslaw. You are all invited. If you are in Verona, don't be left out. Yes. So finally the turkey is ready and we are taking it out. Wow, sister, how do you check it? Ebusia, how do you check it? Yes, this is Hilda's Kitchen, cooking from Agnes Kitchen here in Verona, in Italy to be precise. Yes, we are close to the airport, Verafranca Airport, Charlie. The chicken, the turkey, and your chicken, I take it, Charlie. Looking very nice. I've got my onion, which we are using white onion, carrots, bell peppers, and I've also got some mushrooms, which I am about to wash them nicely. So let's start by adding our onions into the oil. And the Agnes Kitchen, and your good food made in a clean environment as always. So we are adding our onions into the oil and we are going to cook until we have that caramelized texture of it. Don't skip through this video. So guys, as you can tell, the onion has beautifully caramelized, and guess what is going in now? Yes, this is my mushroom. Yeah, no wonder I'm looking like I'm 25 years. Yesterday we went to a program and somebody asked me how old I am, and I told the person. She was shocked. Do you know why? The secret is mushroom. So eat mushroom and look younger. Yeah, I'll take so you actually come on. My mom's cooker is so slow, so we are taking it very easy, gradually process. And trust me, before 12 o'clock, our food will be ready. So as you can see, my mushroom has also caramelized very nice, and I've got some juice. At this point, we are going to add in our rice. Guess which rice? This is what my mom said my brother went to the supermarket to buy. It's called Alibaba. So Alibaba people, pray that your rice will be well in my veggies. So that's that. If it goes well, then guys, I've given you a tip for you to use Alibaba rice. So let's get on with it. So guys, Alibaba is already in the veg, yeah, mushroom and onion nicely. So as you can tell, the rice is cooking very nicely. I haven't added any salt yet. Do you know why? Because I'm using my stock from my turkey wings, and I don't know whether I will need any salt, but I want to add this one first, in the ones in baby. So you can tell this veggie rice is going to be top notch. Sister, try this recipe and give me thumbs up on this video. We love you, and don't skip through the video. I record the CP's one papa. I help that's kitchen. So Alibaba kindly wish me good luck. After 25 to 30 minutes, this is how the rice looks like. Look at that. Alibaba, don't disgrace me. Yes, Orokodo. How do you check this rice? Is there any good? The lighting in my mom's kitchen. The lighting in my mom's kitchen is not as clear as mine. So at this point, I am going to add in my vegetables. No salts yet, so let's go. So my mom is assisting me to add in my veggies. So we are going to add it gradually to our rice, and the rice is cooking perfectly. Yes, Orokodo. So guys, this is our veg rice. Yes, the lighting is not helping me very much, but actually it is looking very succulent, very nice. The mushroom, the carrots, the peppers, they are all mingling very nicely. You can tell some onion over there. On this note, I'm going to cover my rice. I've added some few salts to it because of the turkey sauce that I added. So I didn't need lots of salt. Charlie, the rice is looking amazing. It's not like the one I use in the UK, but it's manageable. It's okay, and we can manage it. Papa. Oh yeah, Malama Kitchen have good food made in a clean environment. Thank you for watching. See you when we are eating. Bye. Voila. Said my turkey is ready. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how beautiful, delicious, looking very nice, powerfully beautiful. My lighting is not as good as the one in the UK. Yeah, or Kodo. My mom hasn't got a deep fryer, so as you know, we fried it in a frying pan, and we are about to make some coleslaw. Yes, Oroko, this is basically white onion, green bell pepper, and some carrots. We've sprinkled some salt on it. You can also add some black pepper as well. And look at what I'm coming to use. Clave, classica. That should tell you where I basically find myself. Gusto irresistibile di sempre. Wow, let's go for it then. Wow. Look at mayonnaise. Look at how creamy. Look at that. Italia. Look, this is what we call mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Yes. That's Italy. We find ourselves. Italy, we've got quality things, quality food. Do you agree with me? Leave your nice comments. If not, where do you think they've got the most quality and delicious food in the world? Orokodo, I will suggest the Italy, actually. Orokodo, Simon Bonchido. Now let's go for it. Let's add everything together. It tastes amazingly wonderful. Wow. Orokodo, Charlie. All done nicely. Look, very beautiful. The color even look different from the one I used to make in the UK. That should tell you with our turkey nicely and with our veg rice. Baby, good food made in a clean environment.